Hi everyone, here is a railway news for you which we can be proud of. This is Sri Lanka Post compartment for Sri Lankan trains refurbished by Tantri Trailers in Sri Lanka. As you can see, this is completely refurbished and have a brand new look. This will be used for Badulla night mail trains. It looks like a modern office. Tantri Trailers is a company that repairs all compartments as brand new compartments. These were taken at Nanua railway station. Photo credits by Tantri Trailers Facebook page. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.